is a test framework for Java that consists of different components from 3 sub-projects. Those 3 projects are JUnit Platform, JUnit Jupyter, and JUnit Vintage. The JUnit Platform provides a foundation for the testing framework. It is performed on the JVM, which means Java Virtual Machine, which loads Java bytecode, executes Java bytecode, but before it executes Java bytecode, it verifies the Java bytes code. The JUnit Jupyter project is a combination of the programming model and extension model. We use it for writing our tests and extensions in JUnit 5. The purpose of JUnit Vintage is to design our tests in older versions of JUnit and also write our tests in older versions of JUnit. When it comes to the test engine, each project has a different responsibility. The JUnit platform is responsible for defining the test engine for creating our test framework. However, JUnit Jupyter and JUnit Vintage supplies our test engine for running the test scripts. The difference between JUnit Jupyter and JUnit Vintage is JUnit Jupyter runs JUnit 5 test scripts, while JUnit Vintage runs JUnit 3 and JUnit 4 test scripts. In addition to creating our test framework and executing our test, JUnit 5 has 4 core functions like other test frameworks. Right now, we see creating and executing our test scripts. The test framework also generates test reports, generates logs, read test data, and write test data. If you want more information, you can go to the website at JUnit.org/JUnit5. We see user guide, Java doc, code, and issues, Q&A. You can also support JUnit. Let's go to the user guide. And the table of contents show an overview, writing test, migrating from JUnit 4, running test, extension model, advanced topics, API evolution, contributors, release notes, and appendix. That's it for the introduction of JUnit 5.